if you want to create delayed entrance animations in Wix Studio, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have here 3 text elements: web-based tools, Trello, and Canva. Let's start by adding an entrance animation for the first text element, web-based tools. You can use any of these animations, but I'm gonna choose glide. Let's also add the same entrance animation for the Trello text element. But this time we are not only adding the entrance animation, we are also adjusting this animation. So just click here on adjust animation, and then right here under delay we can use the slider or just type in, for example, 0.5 seconds delay. If you then click on preview, you can already feel that there's some kind of delay. For the last Canva text element, we are also adding this entrance animation, and this time under adjust animation, we are going to set the delay to 1 second. And if we preview the whole website, you can see that the delay entrance animations are working very nice. And that's it. Thank you for watching.